Hey guys, happy Friday. It's me, Michael. I'm back with you guys with Housekeeping 101. And today I'm going to show you guys how to vacuum clean using the Dyson that we have here at our house. And I'm just going to show you guys the floor here. So there's some scraps and some other things on the floor that I'm going to pick up with the vacuum cleaner. Okay. And when I get going here, I'm going to do nice even strokes with the vacuum cleaner. I like to do nice straight lines, so it looks professionally done. But I'm gonna go ahead, pull up the handle, rock it back, and then what I do to take the cord off, there's a little clip on the cord there that I take it off, and then I flip the top down. Then I'll just take the whole thing right off, and then I'll plug it in, and it might get a little loud here for probably 30 seconds to a minute while I vacuum clean our living room. And then I'll show you guys what I do with after I'm done. So here we go. Here's the happy cleaning. So I'll start off over here by the wall, move my cord as I go, and I have it in my left hand as I'm pushing with my right, and I can already hear things getting sucked up by the vacuum cleaner. So I just kind of go back and forth. Then I'm on to my next line. Nice straight line, long line here. There I go. And I just keep on going back and forth with everything. And then when I get over to, I have like a little ledge, a little different curve by my window, so I'll go around there. And I'll just keep on going back and forth with it. Pretty straight lines. Almost like when I'm mowing the lawn. Almost done here. Got 3 more lines to get. So I'm going to edge the couch. Now go ahead and I'll shut it off. Then I'll show you guys my finished product here of vacuuming the floor. So here is my living room floor. Pretty straight lines. I mean, it kind of gets a little wonky in there, but I had to reposition it. So that is house chores, house cleaning 101 with Michael today on vacuuming the floor. So you guys, go ahead and try this. I know your parents will love it when you guys get the vacuum cleaner out and clean the floor. But another hint and a tip, move things before you start vacuuming, because you don't want to be running into things and whatnot. So there you go. There's vacuuming 101, housekeeping 101 with Michael. So enjoy. Have a great Friday. We'll see you guys later. And always remember, be kind.